1. What is the purpose of a ground fault circuit interrupter GFCI? A. Limit inrush current. B. Prevent overvoltage. C. Interrupt power during short circuits. D. Protect against electric shock from ground faults. 2. A three-phase motor drawing unbalanced current across phases is likely experiencing A. Voltage spike. B. Open phase. C. Thermal overload. D. Motor misalignment. 3. Which device is used to protect an electric motor from overheating? A. Relay. B. Thermistor. C. Transformer. D. Contactor. 4. The color code for a neutral wire in a standard US single-phase circuit is typically A. Red. B. White. C. Green. D. Black. 5. An ohmmeter is primarily used to measure A. Voltage. B. Amperage. C. Resistance. D. Capacitance. 6. A V-belt showing signs of glazing and cracking should be A. Lubricated. B. Cleaned. C. Tightened. D. Replaced. 7. Proper shaft alignment helps prevent A. Electrical arcing. B. Belt slippage. C. Bearing failure. D. Hydraulic pressure loss. 8. Which tool would you use to verify flatness of a machine surface? A. Feeler gauge. B. Dial indicator. C. Micrometer. D. Straight edge. 9. A bearing that overheats is most likely due to A. High humidity. B. Over-lubrication. C. Misalignment or excessive load. D. Low voltage. 10. What type of maintenance is performed based on condition monitoring technologies? A. Reactive. B. Preventive. C. Predictive. D. Scheduled. 11. What does an input module on a PLC do? A. Sends control signals to motors. B. Converts digital signals to analog. C. Interfaces with sensors and switches. D. Regulates system voltage. 12. A PLC ladder diagram resembles A. Network topology. B. Electrical schematic. C. Relay logic. D. Block diagram. 13. What is the function of a timer instruction in a PLC? A. Controls scan cycle. B. Activates an output for a preset time. C. Monitors analog input. D. Generates interrupts. 14. Which of the following is a common industrial communication protocol for PLCs? A. HTTP. B. Modbus. C. SMTP. D. SSL. 15. When troubleshooting a PLC, a flashing input LED usually indicates A. Power failure. B. Faulty CPU. C. Input is pulsing or intermittent. D. Output overload. 16. A jammed conveyor should first be A. Lubricated. B. Restarted. C. Isolated and locked out. D. Cleared using a tool. 17. Belt misalignment in conveyors can cause A. Motor overheating. B. Increased airflow. C. Product accumulation. D. Belt wear and tracking issues. 18. Which component ensures tension in a conveyor belt? A. Pulley. B. Idler. C. Tensioner. D. Sprocket. 19. Roller conveyors are best used for A. High-speed sorting. B. Fragile products. C. Heavy packages. D. Loose material transfer. 20. A photoelectric sensor is used to A. Detect heat levels. B. Count pulses. C. Sense product presence without contact. D. Control motor speed. 21. First step in troubleshooting an electrical control panel is A. Reset all breakers. B. Replace the PLC. C. Visual inspection and voltage verification. D. Replace fuses. 22. A machine intermittently fails to start. Most logical first check A. Replace start button. B. Confirm input power and interlocks. C. Replace motor. D. Replace all wiring. 23. A variable frequency drive VFD with an overcurrent fault likely indicates A. Power loss. B. Faulty encoder. C. Sudden load increase or shorted motor. D. Low voltage supply. 24. What is the purpose of a thermal imaging camera in diagnostics? A. Measure resistance. B. Measure voltage. C. Identify hot spots and potential failures. D. Record runtime. 25. If a motor hums but does not start, what is the likely cause? A. Blown fuse. B. Open winding or start capacitor failure. C. Low ambient temperature. D. Over-lubricated bearings. Amazon Maintenance Technician. The Amazon Maintenance Technician test is a comprehensive assessment used to evaluate the technical knowledge and problem-solving skills of candidates applying for maintenance roles in Amazon's fulfillment and operations centers. The test covers key areas such as electrical systems, mechanical repair, automation, PLC programming, conveyor and material handling systems, and workplace safety. Designed to identify individuals capable of maintaining high-tech equipment and ensuring smooth facility operations, the exam includes multiple-choice questions and practical scenarios. It reflects the real-world challenges technicians face in fast-paced environments. Passing the test is essential for progressing to in-person interviews and securing positions in Amazon's reliability and maintenance engineering (RME) team. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Skill validation. The test ensures candidates possess the essential technical knowledge in areas like electrical systems, mechanical maintenance, PLCs, and safety, skills critical for success in Amazon's operations. 2. Efficient hiring. It helps Amazon streamline recruitment by identifying qualified candidates quickly, ensuring only capable technicians advance to interviews. 3. Workplace readiness. By simulating real-world scenarios, the test prepares candidates for the demands of maintaining and troubleshooting advanced automation systems in high-volume fulfillment centers. 4. Career development gateway. Passing the test opens doors to well-paying, stable technician roles within Amazon, often leading to further career growth in engineering and leadership. 5. Standardized evaluation. The test provides a fair, consistent way to measure applicant readiness across diverse backgrounds and locations, ensuring hiring quality and operational efficiency.